Espartanos, qual é a sua profissão?
When gaming is a study break of choice, a few key items are all you need to make your space do double duty. With comfortable chair, spacious desk, gaming accessories, and good organizing solutions for your items, you're good to go. This adjustable table comes with metal mesh at the back to allow air circulation to prevent overheating. The tabletop is deep so you can position screens at a comfortable distance from your eye. With spacious desks like this, you can include all your electronic devices like your laptop and phone. Remember to leave a parking zone for when you are writing notes. Triple your pegboard to become more organized and put all your belongings away onto the wall. You can also customize the pegboard accessories to fit your needs. For extra storage, this drawer unit comes with the lockable storage to keep your belongings safe. Turn this into a moving snack bar and you can use it all over the room. Lastly, give it a personal touch by putting up photos of your favorite pictures on top of the wall.